So I am experimenting this week. Instead of doing a regular blog, I am going to try to do a vlog. I haven't done it before, but I thought it was high time that I get into the new age of technology and try something new. So we're trying a vlog this week. One of the things that I have been thinking about is respect. And I blog about that every once in a while. And today in church, we talked about 1 John 4:19. And the verse is, we love him because he first loved us. We needed to know that we were loved before we were able to love. And I think that that goes for our professional lives, our personal lives, anything in our lives. And I wonder sometimes, why are we not showing more love and respect to one another? I'm going to give you an example that I hear when I'm doing workshops with teachers and with principals all over the country. One of the things I hear is this: teachers say that they don't feel like they're loved or supported or respected or cared about by their principals. Students, in turn, also feel that same way. I hear students say that they don't, and we've all heard this, that students don't care what we know until they know that we care, and that the caring ends up building that respect and rapport that then ends up building the desire to learn, that then ends up building the ability to stay engaged in the learning. Been talking about this a lot with a lot of principals and school leaders around the country lately, and I think it's a really important topic. I'm going to tell you a quick story. I heard a teacher say several years ago, she said to her class, and I heard her say this out loud while I was walking by her classroom. She said this: I am going to start showing you respect when you start showing me a little respect. And all I could think is, wait a minute, isn't that backwards? Don't we need to show it first before they're going to believe that we care? Don't we need to show each other? Don't I need to show Dave? Don't I need to show my pups that are sitting here trying to get my attention while I'm doing this vlog? Don't I need to show them respect before they learn how to respect me? So I love this quote that's up here right now. We don't always have to agree with one another, but it sure is important that we learn to respect each other. And maybe especially, although this is not at all meant to be any type of political rant or soapbox, but especially in today's day and age, isn't this an important topic to think about and talk about? So, just for today, perhaps consider, what are some ways that we can show respect to one another and learn to respect each other so that we can build those relationships. Happy communicating to everybody. Let's see how this vlog goes, and I'd love to hear your feedback.